let me first of all say that I am very pleased at what occurred today. Judge Snow was very clear in his coming forward and saying, this is what I want. He wants a court-appointed monitor. He could not have been clearer. What he did is give each side till August 30th to work together, and both sides agreed that they could possibly come up with a consent decree which would determine how we move forward. A consent decree would have all of the guidelines in it for monitoring, for record keeping, for everything that the judge found that he wanted. It was a very strong statement by the judge. Now we have to have both sides sit down. We have to have both sides come to the decision that will put forward a consent decree signed by both. The sheriff's lawyers very clearly said he did not want a court-appointed monitor, but they agreed to sit down and discuss for the public, the court, the consent decree. So it was a very, very good day. And I think we're on the way to resolution. The remedies that the judge talked about, particularly recording, which are very necessary to justify that and verify that racial profiling is no longer occurring, were tremendous. So very, very satisfying day. Now the two sides will come together, and by August 30th, we may have a consent decree, and racial profiling will be over in Maricopa County.
So really quickly, are you satisfied with what the sheriff's lawyer said as far as no more suppression sweeps, no more advertising on the side of the vehicles about the immigration hotline? Are you satisfied with that?
I think those things are ways to start remedying the situation. They're not done yet. I've still seen vans that say illegal immigration. A lot has to be done. But I think they've tried to put forward, these are things we're trying to do. But that is why it's so important that the judge said, I hear you, but I still want to monitor to make sure that they're done. So that, I think, is the only thing that will assure the public that those things that the sheriff has said he's already started to do, no suppression sweeps. He did not say immigration employment rates, so there was a distinction there. But he did state very clearly no more suppression. But that is why I think it's important that the judge be paid attention to, listened to, and the consent decree include a court-appointed monitor. The cost may be tremendous for Maricopa County, but this is the burden we have to bear. That is why it's so important also we not appeal this case, but instead work toward a consent decree.